sa ating tablet. Alright. So actually I'm singing only mga random song, no? So whatever that is come up on the tablet, I sing. So that's how I do my live broadcasting, Alright, shout out to everyone. And welcome to Bigo Live Philippines. And of course, ayan, we are still live simultaneously sa ating YouTube channel. Alright, okay, let me try to sing this one for you, another classic one. The title is Help Me Make It Through the Night. Alright, okay, this time parang acoustic ang dating, no? So we're going to do this song in acoustic way. Alright, okay, shout out to everyone.
Amoy kulob?
Hala, mapapamahal tayong tanggalin yan.
Just in! Tipid ka sa New Tide Twin Jumbo Pack. Sa 2 sachet, kaya ang 2 labada. Tide Twin Jumbo Pack.
Okay, let's do this. Help me make it through the night. Take the ribbon from your hair, shake it loose and let it fall. Lay it soft against my skin, like the shadows on the wall. Come and lay down by my side until the early morning light. All I'm taking is your time, so help me make it through the night. And I don't care who's right or wrong, and I don't try to understand. Yesterday is dead and gone, and then tomorrow's out of sight. It's so sad to be alone, and help me make it through the night. Yesterday is dead and gone, tomorrow's out of sight. It's so sad to be alone, and help me make it through the night. And I don't want to be alone, and help me make it through the night. A lovely song na Help Me Make It Through the Night. A lovely afternoon for you. Uy, biglang kumulingling. Mukhang uulan na naman. Nagbabadya na naman ang ating panahon.